A lot of information to read, but for part A, we're asked to find w prime of 12. We have a function that tells us what w is in terms of t. W prime means find the slope of the tangent near 12. Clearly, we don't have enough information to find the derivative, but if you know derivative is slope near a point, we want to find two data points that are close to 12. That's around 12, and find the slope of those points. So we're going to focus our energy here, where t is 9 and 15, because 12 is between 9 and 15, to the closest points that are 212. And I'm going to find the slope of those points. So as far as showing my computations, I can just do this y value minus that y value divided by 15 minus 9, and I can leave my answer just like that. I don't need to simplify it. I need to use correct units, interpret the meaning of my answer. W is in Fahrenheit, T is in time, so it's Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit per minute would be my units, and the meaning would be this is the rate at which the temperature is changing at 12 minutes in degrees Fahrenheit per minute. I'm going to pause the video and write down what I just said. So this is the sort of thing I'm going to want to write down as specific as I can. I want to say it's a change in temperature in degrees Fahrenheit per minute, specifically when T equals 12. That shows the AP grader that I definitely know W prime of 12 represents the change in temperature at time 12. Moving on to part B, use the data in the table to find the integral of the derivative using correct units to interpret the meaning of that integral. So here we're looking at the idea that the integral and the derivative undo each other. It's the fundamental theorem of calculus, which says the integral is the antiderivative evaluated at these endpoints. So what this would turn into is w of 20 minus w of 0. W of 20, we can look at the table and see that that's 71 degrees Fahrenheit minus 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't need to simplify that any further. I do need to talk about what that means. So the meaning of this would be the net change in temperature from time 0 to time 20. It's how much the temperature of the water changed in those 20 minutes. Again, I'm going to pause the video and write that down. So that's how I would put that into words. Is a change in temperature in degrees Fahrenheit from time 0 to time 20. You don't need to actually calculate that out. Hope that makes sense.